10,000 naira. That is all you need to start one of these businesses, and you can start making money as soon as tomorrow. Because what I'm about to show you doesn't need a shop, it doesn't require big capital, and people will still pay you daily. See, I've been broke before, so I know what it means to need money daily. So if you're serious about changing your life this year, then stay with me, because in this video, I'll show you real businesses you can start. And if you watch to the end, you will also learn how to source for customers. Even if you don't have a shop, even if you don't have big capital, you can do this. Just watch and listen. So, welcome to Peculiar Daily Income. Here we turn small money into daily income. My goal for this channel in 2026 is simple. I don't want anyone to come here and leave empty-handed, because making money is now easier. You just need three things: the right idea, the right strategy, and execution. Most people are stuck not because they are lazy, but because they don't know where to start from. That is why this video is for you. The first business idea I'm about to show you is egg business. Yes, that's egg you know. Let me tell you, this business is underestimated, but a lot of people today prefer something light and fast, especially in the morning and lunch time, because they don't eat heavy food due to health issues, or some people who are on a weight loss journey. So they can just take two eggs with a drink and they are good to go. That is an opportunity for you. Buy eggs in crates from the local farms around you, or from the local market around you where you can get it cheaper. Cook this egg with salt. Do not overcook it. Within 5 to 7 minutes, an egg is properly done. Package it in a transparent pocket, just like this one you're seeing. Keep it aside. Now let's move to the number two business idea, which is groundnut business. You see, groundnut is very, very lucrative. So many people finish 2 to 3 bottles of groundnuts in a week in their homes. So if you make sweet, crunchy groundnuts, trust me, they will always come back for more. So go to your local market. Do not buy the groundnuts from roadside. Go to the local market where they will measure it very well, and they will add enough jar for you. You can start with half paint. Buy half paint. Select all the dirt and sand. Fry it very well. Why fry? Don't use sand though, so that your groundnuts will not be sandy. Use garri. Fry it. Do not allow it to burn. Let it be crunchy. Package it in plastic bottles. Some bottles now are not breakable, they are in plastic form. Package it so that if you cover it, it will be corked. It will be as if you sealed it. You also buy nylon and tie 100 naira to 200 naira once. As you're going in the morning to take your children to school, go with 2 or 3 pieces of those 100 granuts. See those their class teachers, dash them one each. Hey, auntie, I now make crunchy granuts. I would like you to have a taste of it. Dash 2 to 3 aunties these granuts and watch them do the adverts for you. They would be the one coming back. Early in the morning, you will receive a call. Please, ma, why bringing your kids to school? Bring 500 naira granuts for me. Bring 2 bottles of granuts for me. And that is market. You make your quick cash. Now, that one aside, let's move to the third one. The third one is Zobo. Yes, Zobo drink. Do not make it to be local or that kind they over add water. Let it be very rich. Then, after making it, package it in small containers. The containers should be corked too, so you use new containers always to make your products unique. Go to Canva. Canva have free templates on stickers. Once you log into Canva, it's very easy to use. Search sticker templates. It will come out. Choose the design you like. Add your name. Add the name of your products. Change 1 or 2 colors. Download it. Go to any neighbor cyber cafe. Tell them you want to print out stickers. They will print it out for you very cheap. So you paste it on those Zobo. You have created a brand, a unique one. This one you can take it to offices, schools, banks. People now prefer natural drinks to soda. In fact, so many people don't take minerals and must anymore. They prefer natural homemade drinks, and that is where your business come into place. So after supplying to these schools and offices, even churches, if any of them need a birthday party that they need Zobo drink there, they will always contact you. If they are having a child dedication, whom do you think they will run to? It's you. They will contact you. If you do it this way, you make a cool cash. If you still have space in your frontage, you can bring out your cooler, that Zobo, put it in the cooler. If you don't have freezer, buy block, ice block, put it there. Bring down your bucket of egg, place it on top of that cooler. Place your this thing, your groundnuts at the top. You see your neighbors patronizing you. You will see people living 2 to 3 streets that have groundnuts coming after your own because your own is very tasty, neat, and you have other things they can pair it with. This is a business opportunity for you. So do not sleep on it. I know people have tutored on this and they are making a lot of money with this. So with these three things, you are good to go. You've created a brand, a business for yourself, and you'll be making money on a daily basis. Now the last one, which is the fourth one, is lunch pack. If you can cook very well, you can prepare lunch pack for working class people. See, many people are being choked with time. They struggle for food. They ask themselves what they will eat. So prepare a delicious meal, package it in takeaways, distribute to offices, banks, schools. They will always call you to place their order if your food is nice. Make sure your food is nice, not over seasoned, not with too much maggi. So if any of them have an event tomorrow and they need someone to prepare a meal for them, whom do you think they will call? They will always contact you. Hey, that woman that do supply food in my office, her food is very delicious. They will recommend you to their friends. And before you know it, you start going worldwide, you start going viral. So please stop waiting for millions before you start. With as little as 5 to 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira is even much. You will start. So give this a try. I would like to know in the comment section, which of these business ideas are you starting right away? Stop procrastinating. Stop saying tomorrow. Start something today. And have you subscribed to this channel? Because more business opportunities are coming. So please press that subscribe button.